Hey there, Facebook. It's Dr. Lichten coming to you from Central Ohio Plastic Surgery. Obviously, I'm not at my desk. I'm in our beautiful patient bathroom here in the office because there's been a lot of talk, and everyone's obviously very concerned about coronavirus and COVID-19, as we all should be, which is part of the reason that we're not seeing patients in the office except for post-ops as needed. But one of the most important things people talk about is washing your hands and don't touch your face, right? Here's the thing I want to tell you. I want you to touch your face, but I want you to do it in the right way and be smart about it. All right? Washing our skin, taking care of our skin is a very important thing to continue to do on a daily basis. But we're also worried about, oh wait, I can't touch, and if I sneeze, and if I cough my arm, those are all important things. But you should still be washing your face. You should be still using good skincare. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through what I'm going to tell you is a procedure for us that we advise in terms of taking care of your skin. So the first thing you're going to do before you wash your face, before you put your skincare on, is what we all know. You're going to wash your hands. Even though I'm going to start with soap and I'm going to wash my face with soap, we're going to start with the standard 20 seconds. Get your hands wet. Lather up with soap for 20 seconds. Sing happy birthday or whatever you choose. Those of you who know me well. I'm a big Prince fan, so I typically sing the start of Let's Go Crazy because that's me. So you wash your hands, you do that 20 seconds lathering it up, which you've seen this all before. Take your 20 seconds. Now I'm talking, so I'm not really singing, but please don't sing. Rachel, you are the person who's got to hear me sing more than anyone else. All right? So once we're cleaned off, and your hands are now clean, you're in a place where you're safe to sort of touch your face, right? There's nothing on there. So I dry my hands off. In terms of skincare, what we like to start with, you all know I love SkinBetter. This is a SkinBetter Oxygen Infusion wash. Same thing now, you're gonna wash as normal. My hands are clean, so safe to touch my face because I haven't touched anything else aside from my skincare. One of the other things I've always told people in terms of your skincare, keep it next to your toothbrush. Hey Tracy, miss you. We'll see you soon. Say keep it next to your toothbrush. It helps remind you. In this time now, because we're talking about keeping things clean, take your skincare. I want you to move it away from your toothbrush. Mine at home is now inside my medicine cabinet, but I'm still going to use it every day. All right? So, washing your face, same sort of idea as washing your hands. Get things wet, right? I wish my 18-year-old would do this. Sorry, hon. All right? SkinBetter Oxygen Infusion wash. A pump in there. Lather it up. All right? And scrub and get all those impurities off. Your old makeup, skincare, everything else. The dirt from the day, whatever viruses and germs and things are there, this is going to help you here too, all right? Rinse that all off. Get yourself all nice and clean in here. And again, rinse. This is kind of silly to have to say, but in the days of where we are with COVID-19, it's silly to think of. You're like, oh, wait a minute, I'm so afraid of everything. Right? We're afraid. We go to the grocery store about touching the cans or touching the bags. As long as you're being smart and you keep washing your hands, wipe off the things that you know are dirty and contaminated, keep things nice and clean, it's important. But your hands and what you can control at home, your skincare bottles, should all be clean, all right? Next step, LAE, SkinBetter lines. This is like liquid gold. Love this. I had a patient who, you all know we've talked plenty about the way Voluma helps improve the contour in through your cheeks and builds this area out. I think I am a perfect candidate for. I just haven't had the guts to inject myself in the mirror. Now that we've got some downtime, maybe we will. But this is a liquid hyaluronic acid. Now, the problem with the hyaluronic acids that you see over the counter, you get at Target, you get ordered from somebody on Facebook, oh, this product contains hyaluronic acid. It's the best thing for your skin. It's like injecting Juviter. It doesn't work that way. Hyaluronic acid is a large molecule. Putting it on the surface of your skin typically comes off the surface of your skin just because it's not going to penetrate deep and stay. What SkinBetter's found with their Infuse technology is they can take that large molecule of hyaluronic acid and get it to penetrate deeper. So for me, when I started using this consistently, for me, my trouble zones under my eyes and these deeper lines of the nasolabial folds and marionettes, I had a patient say to me, "Oh, you injected yourself, it looks great." And I said, "No, I haven't." He's like, "Well, what have you been doing differently?" And this was the answer. So, my hands are still clean. You're going to take a pump or half a pump of this. The lines is always the one we're starting with because it's the biggest molecule. Me personally, I'll split it, that pump, go underneath directly my areas, directly over the areas where there are deeper lines. Helps fill those areas in and will decrease, not eliminate, our need to do some injections in terms of the Juvederms and things of the world. All right? Absolutely, that is one of my favorites. Next, A, Alto. In the morning, nighttime, your A is going to be your alpha ret. Alto, sorry, I'm going to put my glasses back on so I can read these notes coming up here. Hey, Mike, how are you? Alto, this is your antioxidants. This is going to be a great protection for your skin, help heal your skin, deal with reds. The ideas about having that invisible layer of protection. You know, I talk about skincare or sunscreen for everybody, UV protection. You should be using it every day, reapplying every hour and a half, 2 hours when you're out. Alto, they actually did studies with this, and I'm not going to tell you should use this to protect your skin from the sun. I don't want you to have a false sense of security in terms of being protected from the sun. But they did a study with this where they put this on spots for 5 days, skipped a day, and the next day they did a UV tolerance test where basically they shine a UV light directly on the area. And the treated areas had less redness and less change than the areas that didn't. Even though it's not sun protection, even though it's not a UV protection SPF in it, it does help condition the skin. So this is your antioxidant. So that damage that does get through, the vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, they help reduce some of the damage that your skin absorbs. So I've done my lines, I've let that dry in. Now a pump of Alto. Alto is a twice a day, morning and night. Again, I'm gonna split it, treat the whole face in through here. And one of the other things about skincare is we see a lot often on the back of our hands in terms of damage. The front of your hands, your fingertips, the product's not doing anything for you there. Rub it on the back of your hands. If you feel like in the process of doing your skincare, you're spending too much time touching other things, wash your hands between. I like these products, they dry, they react real well together. So I'm not a big stickler for the idea of switching them out, letting them dry, washing your face between. They all work really well together. E. So all these steps can be tailored to what people's individual needs are and desires. E is even. SkinBetter is great because one, these are great pure products. They're physician strength, physician grade. You're going to get that medical result, not necessarily the over-the-counter moisturize your skin with oil of Olay. Nothing wrong with that, but it's just moisturizer. It's just surface of your skin. These are things we want to penetrate deeper and help heal your skin. Even does exactly that. Evens out tone and texture. SkinBetter is great because the products are very pure, they're very clean, and they tell you what they're going to do, and simple. So even, again, twice a day to help even out brown spots, pigmentation, that melasma, that mask of pregnancy can help reduce all those things. Again, real simple. These were all dosed, single pump, split. Sometimes if you want to do a little bit more on the back of the hands, you may do a second pump to treat through there. And then again, even out, spread all over the areas that we're going to treat in here. Now you start getting worried because you're touching your mouth and touching your nose again. You just wash your hands between each time. Sing whatever song you want to sing. If you want to in the comments, tell me what you sing when you're brushing your teeth, when you're washing your hands. Right? They say happy birthday. Put that in there. Make us laugh. All right. And that's your basic skincare that we're going to do. This is sort of encompassed the Alpha Ret, which is our nighttime one. I'm not doing that now because it's still 4:30-ish. But I'll add that one in right before the alto. So I'll go lines, then I'll hit the alpharet, then get back into the alto, and even. A couple other great products for SkinBetter. We just go to these next. The face product, which helps with sort of the fine lines and wrinkles, and the eye product specifically for around the eye. Those would be their next steps that we would do in here. Same thing, a pump, half a for the eye. Actually, I like to use half a pump because we're covering a real small area, right? You're doing this, again, split under the eye, over upper eyelids, in through here. Burns! No, I'm just kidding. It's great. I mean, it feels great, easy to do, and that's a extended skincare routine. I know I'm talking a lot, I'm spending a lot of time here. I've told you all you can do this in less time than it takes you to brush your teeth. Now again, once we've finished, same thing, 20 seconds, sing the song of your choice, or 20 seconds of the song of your choice. Lather up, so you wash your hands now because you've been touching your face, but again, you're now safe. So, more of the story is, be safe from corona, wash your hands, and do touch your face in the right ways, all right? I know, it's all silly to watch me do my skincare, but hey, you know what? These times, I want to make sure you're doing it. If you need these things, if you are out of skincare, if you want to start putting drops on your glasses, if you want to start on a skincare line, send us a message here, email dr@ohioplastic.com, or leave a message in the office. We'll call you back and we'll get you all set up with what you need. If you're currently using it, which most of my patients are using this, thankfully, because this is, I think, the best stuff on the market, and you need more, just call us. We'll get it out. We'll ship it out to you. Hopefully soon enough you'll be able to come back to the office and pick it up in person. But until that time, if you want it or need it, just let us know and we'll ship it out to you, obviously no charge. In the meantime, stay safe, stay healthy. If you have any questions or have other things you'd like to see me do here in the office, just ask and we will take care of it. Everyone be good and take care of your skin.